Alright, what's good, YouTube? I went to sneak yesterday. Didn't open my 5 packs. I went to sneak today. Didn't open my 5 packs. You know, the temptation was real. I really wanted to open it, but I'm doing this for you guys. For more content on my page, actually. So here we go. This is the promo card from the Dark Illusion Sneak Peek Magical Something. Each time a spell card is activated, place one spell counter. Hold on, focus. There you go. Each time a card is activated, place one spell counter on this card. You guys can read. So yeah, good card. So yeah, that's the promo. And here we have with 10 packs, 5 from yesterday, 5 from today. Let's go. I'm hoping to get the Metal Foes cards. Maybe Pot of Desires. I don't know. I don't really care. Subterra's. There's nothing in the set that I actually am looking forward to much. So it's just a mess set, but I'm still gonna try to get a box or two for product openings in my page. First up is Black Dragon Ninja. Next is Destruction Sword of Memories. DD Savant Nicola. Pyramid Hunter and Paleozoic Animal Caris. Performer Pal Bubble Bow Wow. Wrecker Panda. Metaphos Steelin. Cool. Fusion Fright Waltz. Probably Fright for support. I don't know. Right there. The higher. Second pack. I'm doing great, guys. One super. Starting from boss, I think Breakers of Shadow. There's a foil in every pack, so there's a super guaranteed in every pack. So the more sought after cards are the rares, let's say. Sometimes, because you know there's more rares than supers. Ultra rares and secret rares. There's no more ultimate rares or ghost, so that kind of sucks. Performal Pal Radish Horse. Metal Foes Silvered Ninjutsu Art Notebook. Paleozoic Hallucinogen. Spiral Gear Big Red. I actually am thinking of making spirals. And next one is Spell Strider. Okay. Dragodius, the Empowered Warrior. Super Hippo Carnival, and Red Mirror. Cool, so at least I got one card I needed. Oh my god, super. Spell Strider. Yeah. I need to find that rare. This one, Pyramid. There's a lot of new archetypes in the set. Half of them I don't care for. Most of them I don't care for, actually. I don't even know why I want this. But hey, gotta support your locals. You gotta support Yu-Gi-Oh, you know what I mean? Another Performance Power Radish Horse as the first card from the pack. Another Melfo Silverbird. Another Ninjutsu Art of Notebook. Wait, if I get this card again, Spell Strider, I'll be upset. Not the rare though, but yeah. Pyramid King Golem, okay, and Metal Foes Fusion, okay, okay, that's actually really good. Pyramid Fortress, okay. Pyramid King Golem, right there. Metal Foes Fusion, okay, that looks cool. I think it recycles itself. I don't know. I don't even know what half the Metal Foes do. I just know they're good. Empowerment. Revolving Switch Art. Okay. Okay. Train support. That's good. Put that right there. Gofu. Okay, that's good. Performer Pal. Inflator. Tap here. Performer Pal. This guy. And Hidden City. Secret Rare. Perfect. Subterrors. Red Mirror, Red Ward, and Perform Pal Extra Slinger. Wow, Hidden City. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful card. I guess I can try to make Subterrors now. Hidden City. When this card is activated, you can add one Subterror monster from your deck to your hand. Once per turn, you can change one face down defense position Subterror monster you control to face up attack position. Once per turn, when an opponent's monster declares an attack, you can change one face down defense position Subterror monster you control face up. Attack or defense position. Then I get the attack. That's so cool. That's so cool. Hidden City. Beautiful. This is good. This is good. I guess it was worth the wait, guys. I guess it was worth the wait. Put that right there. We got DD Savant Nikolai. Good to have DDD support for the, what is it, structure deck coming out next year. And the preview cards from Megatons in September. So yeah. Former Power Radish Horse. Red Gardner. Okay. Assault Blackwing Shihoya, the Rainstorm, and Metal Forms Crimsonite, and Toon Dark Magician. That's cool. That's cool. I guess right there. Dynamis Ankylos, okay. Performance Power Life Swordsman and Scapegoat. Okay, Dynamis, okay, Dynamis Ankylos, okay, that's not bad. So we start off with Paleozoic Hallucinogeniga, Performance Power Gongato, Pyramid Dancer, and Acrobatic Magician, and Ebon High Magician, super rare. Okay. This guy, train support, yeah, and another Ankylos. Cool. Alright, let's go with the next one. Gabe's making Dark Magician, so this set is actually good for him. For me, it's just like, whatever. Unified Front, okay. Paleozoic Plica, King Scarlet, and Pyramid Poles, and Super Dreadnought. Yeah. That's a card I'm actually looking for. Trains. I hate going against this in Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro, so having the power is actually pretty cool to play it. Okay, this goes right here. This one feels heavy. This one feels like a good one. Another secret rare, hopefully. Maybe an ultra rare, maybe a sub-tier, or a spiral secret agent. I really want that card. Super agent, ultra rare. Black Dragon Ninja. Pyramid Dancer. Performer Pal Gungato. Magician's Robe. Okay, and magical something. The promo card. And the next card is Tyrant Red Dragon Archfiend. That's cool. I'm never gonna summon it, but that's cool. At least it's an ultra rare. It's an ultra rare. Paleozoic, Stellian, and Okrik. Whatever, I can't say it. So I think I've basically finished all of my Metal Pose deck. Next one, Paleozoic. The Korean exclusive. Pretty cool. Trap monsters. Oh, this is later. Paleozoic Hallucinogeniga. United Front. Mesozoic Pelica. King Scarlet, and the rare is TDIL Savant Thomas, sorry. And next card is the True King Azimid de Venetia. Another ultra rare. That is beautiful. Was it worth the wait? Oh shoot, I dropped that one. Uh-oh. Damaged cards. Oh no. Hopefully it's nothing good. Well, hopefully it's really good, then I'll cry. Let's open it. Ah, here we are. Red Gardener. Assault Blackwing Shahoya the Rainstorm. Paleozoic Hallucinogeniga. That should be there. Assault Blackwing Sayo the Rain Hitter. And the next card is final card. Assault Blackwing. Boo. Yeah. So yeah, that's my sneak peek pack. So let's do a recap. There should be 10 rares, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 2 rares I just threw in here. This one. 10. So I got TDIL Savant Thomas. Assault Black inside the Rain Hider. Magical something. Pyramid Pulse. Acrobatic Magician. Metal Foes Crimsonite. Performer Pal, that one. Pyramid Kingdom. Pyramid Hunter. Spiral Gear Big Red. For the hollows, we got Assault Blackwing Amar the Divine Thunder. True King Azimagazut the Venetia. This card is nuts. Looks so cool. Tyrant Red Dragon Archfiend. Super Dreadnought Rogue Cannon Super Dora. Ebon High Magician. Pretty cool. Toon Dark Magician. Even cool. The Hidden City. This card's legit. Metal Foes Fusion. Spellstrider and Paleozoic Anomala, whatever. So yeah, that's my sneak peek. How did you guys do? At least I got a secret, right? So yeah. Peace.